Microsoft now controls the operating systems and major application packages that run on the world's 170 million computers, giving it a commanding position on the information superhighway. Other than Bill Gates' indisputable talent and vision, what accounts for Microsoft's amazing success? Keep an eye out until the conclusion as we uncover the mystery secrets. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more intriguing videos like this, and be sure to watch this video to the end. Therefore, anytime we upload a new video, you will be notified so that you won't miss out on interesting videos from us. Without further ado, let's get started. Making fun of Microsoft is enjoyable for some people. It's ancient and often cumbersome software, an operating system version that was so despised that most users refused to upgrade from its predecessor, preferring to wait for its replacement. A browser that once dominated 95% of the global market is no longer the market leader in any country. Microsoft matches its business. Some of us may recall a time when Microsoft was the essence of uniqueness, with its young founders and unconventional culture flying in the face of a formal, sedate business world with little use for or knowledge of computers. Microsoft is now a gray flannel Dow pillar, which is a fantastic development. The alternative would have been for the audacious software startup to become obsolete today. Nonetheless, it appears that the popular consensus on Microsoft provokes questions like, how on earth can they make so much money? After all, Microsoft isn't the world's most innovative or agile company. Detractors, on the other hand, ignore that Microsoft is the world's largest software maker. Consumers value software, and Microsoft is no longer only a software maker. Microsoft under CEO Satya Nadella. Under the leadership of CEO Satya Nadella, who took over in 2014, Microsoft has aggressively pursued services and cloud computing. Its Azure cloud computing system has a considerable global market share, second only to Amazon Web Services, and accounts for over one-third of the company's total revenue. Microsoft's revenue reached $125 billion, with an operating income of $42 billion. Microsoft outperforms Apple and Alphabet, two companies that popular opinion feels have surpassed Microsoft, with a profit margin of 29%. Stalwart and ubiquitous. That widely held view originates from a flawed assumption that releasing a new product line with frequent upgrades is the most certain method to achieve success in the technology industry. This is not the case. Consider Microsoft's Surface, its response to Apple's iPad. It isn't the type of product that can make or ruin a company the size and strength of Microsoft. Rather, it's a way for Microsoft to stay relevant in the consumer electronics market. Of course, the goal is for Surface to earn enough profit to cover its costs. But a couple million happy Surface owners have just a modest impact on Microsoft's net profit figures. The same can be said about Microsoft's powerful Xbox, whose appeal as a gaming gadget far outweighs its contributions to the company's overall financial picture. The truth is somewhat more banal. Perhaps it's because Microsoft is so ubiquitous, serving as a constant reminder in the lives of those who use its products. The Microsoft logo welcomes you every time you turn on your computer, regardless of whether you run Microsoft's Office suite on a Mac or Linux. Shouldn't a company with such a vast and deep reach amuse and excite us endlessly, with youthful vigor and a flair for self-promotion? Like, say, Google. More than 4 decades later, Microsoft is as staid and disciplined as IBM, ITT, Litton Industries, and the other firms that dominated the Fortune 500 in 1975. At first sight, the software behemoth appears to be a tautology, but it is not. Microsoft is no longer in the early stages of experimentation typical of young and rising businesses. Rather, it aims to create profit streams before maintaining and expanding them. Software as a service. Microsoft's Productivity and Business Processes division may sound vague, but it refers to the division in charge of creating the highly popular Office suite. The suite began as an add-on, a means to highlight Microsoft's groundbreaking operating system. However, with the release of Office in 1990, the programs that comprise it have become nearly mandatory for everyone who wants to conduct business. Over 1 billion people now use Office, and the phrases Word and Excel are nearly synonymous with word processing and spreadsheets, respectively. Multiply that user base by $150 per license for the pared-down home and student version of Office, a product with a near-zero marginal cost. And it's easy to see why Microsoft goes to great lengths to keep Office profitable, and why competitors from OpenOffice to Google Docs want nothing more than to eat into Office's market share. Microsoft's lone main rival in the business division is the company's Windows division, whose most recent market contribution is Windows 10. Windows has almost 35% of the worldwide operating system market. All-in-one entertainment systems, Xbox One, and free audio and video conferencing around the world, Skype, are thrilling, and they make living in the 21st century more enjoyable. But their impact on Microsoft's earnings is minor. Instead, the company's secret to staggering wealth lies in the day-to-day business of allowing users to create and manipulate documents, as well as providing software that performs the most important function of a computer, allowing data to pass from your computer's hardware components to its display. It's not pretty, but it pays the bills in a way that few firms in history can. With that being said, that's all for today. Thank you for spending some time with us. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button and the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to get access to more interesting videos from us. Till next time.